I have one for Queen Latifah on the end. I just wanted to say it's great to see Tyler Perry here. It's been a long time since the last Big Mama's house. I've been worried.
This is for pillow top mattress, the one with the green on. Stop going to people's house without no baby gifts and taking place of food.
First of all, I'm not pillow type top. I'm memory foam, baby. You sit right in.
It doesn't matter what you say, because I'm a boss, baby.
It's always the girls with the real hair that think they better than the girls with the weave.
It doesn't matter what you say. I'm still a boss.
Them is red bottoms. Them is working shoes. You right.
Mine's for Queen Latifah again. You said you were a rapper, but someone probably should have told you to lay off the rappers.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate you, Jerry, on some good furniture, because it's holding that thing up with the grace of God.
First of all, the chair you sitting in bent. Like, I'm gonna need you to quit.
Her name was KK. Does it stand for Kit Kat?
You look more like Medea than I do.
For the rapper, Mac or whatever. Yo, bro, you like doing shows, you cheating on your girl, you drunk, because I rap.
Your collar long as hell, don't say
Yeah, it is. It's cool, though. It's cool, though. But I'm telling you, I rap, but I'm not cheating on my girl, though, you mean? So that's all I'm saying. You mean, you gotta move like you in a relationship and moving like you single, you mean? So get it right, you mean? If you love your chick, then do that, you mean? But that's it. That's it, though. I ain't gonna rap too much, you mean? Listen.
This for the bootleg Jaden Smith right there. Since you been in the studio so much, can we hear you freestyle one time?
Your gold is falling off your watch, fam. Sit down. Hey, Jared, give him back that $1. He need it.
Hey, for the girl with the white visor, if you want to play tennis, you got to learn how to handle balls.
I can handle them real good. For the fat in the back that said his girlfriend's too fat, what size bra do you wear?
I have a question for the cowboy, like dudes. How'd it feel to have sex with Michael Jackson?
This question is for Bright Light. That's your name, Bright Light?
Light bright.
Light Bright. Do you take food stamps?
Girl with the blue dress, I like it here.
Just curious why she was asking for a hair tie so much when she don't have anything to really grab. She was screaming back there asking for a hair tie. You don't have hair.
Bitch, I have hair on my head. Can you not see it with your blind ass?
In the red, what was you thinking handling King Kong over there?
So the girl with the pink dress on the right side, you need to stop worrying about her man and find a new stylist.
It's not her man, though. He's everybody's man.
That wig flew up a little too quick.
Thank you. Sit down.
It flew up a little too quick, boo.
Sit down. Bitch, you look like a potato.
About to go drive my Diablo. Grab the steering wheel with my eyes closed. All I think of forget on my motto. On a coast, feel like power.